Before we even start being dynamic, we need to develop the power. One easy way how you know that it's the correct posture, it is the one which is the most difficult. Don't hang inside the stance, keep power inside the legs. How much of where you want to go did you achieve already? And also, are you actually still finding yourself on the way to wherever you wanted to go? You don't want to sleep right now. You want to be awake. You want to be awake and you want to be clear. Just figure out right now, who else? What else do I need? What is it that is in my hands right now to make that plan come true? It's about opening the mind, opening the body, opening the senses, opening your awareness. Why? Because with awareness, everything starts. So it's awareness that opens possibilities up for you. It's the awareness to realize there's the chance right now, go for it, to be able and take that decision. Are you going to go for it or not? Being awake and clear. Now your life is in your hands. No matter which method you're using, you need to light up that space. How much of where you want to go did you achieve already? And also, are you actually still finding yourself on the way to wherever you wanted to go? The more you're able to let go, the quicker you are going to approach along this way. Place the feet together. Both hands in front of the heart. Bow. Go. Left leg open. Inhale. Exhale. Gongbu left. Inhale. Exhale. Switch back. Inhale. Pubu. Exhale. Left leg back. Inhale. Go down. Exhale. Left leg back to the front. Arms. Inhale. Shubu. Exhale. Back. Center. Inhale. Exhale. Gongbu. In. Out. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg move to the back. Inhale. Sink down. Exhale. Right leg move back to the center. Mabu. In. Out. In. Out. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Back to the center. In. Out. 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 Center. In. Out. Both hands here on the waist, left leg bent, right leg straight. Your left arm, inhale, switch to the back leg. Switch, bring the weight to the back leg. It's almost like a right gongbu, yeah? But on the exhalation, you squat down. Take a step back. Step back. Then sit almost down. Punch. Okay, stand up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Your feet, they don't make any steps. Your feet don't make steps. They just turn. Turn. Back. Turn. Down. Up. Back. Turn. Down. Up. Back, yeah. Inhale. Exhale. In. Out. In.